In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to set up Find My Device or Google Find Hub on an Android tablet so that if your tablet is lost or stolen, you could try and get it back by tracing it through their application. Losing an Android tablet is a big deal these days because nowadays Android tablets are mostly used for business purposes, Zoom calls and Zoom meetings and all these things. So in order for you to ensure that your Android tablet is safe, you need to set up Google Find Hub or Find My Device the proper way so that if your tablet is lost or stolen or misplaced, you could try and get it back. So in order for you to set up Google Find Hub the proper way, get to settings directly for your tablet. And once you do that, I want you to go ahead and do a search for Find Hub as I am doing on my tab. Once you get that option, select it and you get directed to this page. Here, you need to first of all turn on device location. So click on that option, click on turn on. You get directed to this page for location, switch this on, go back. Then you need to go ahead and either download the Find Hub application on Google Play, or you could even click on the second option here, Find Hub Web, and get to the web page for Find Hub, okay, or get to the website for Find Hub. Here you need to ensure that your device shows up out here. So you could see that my tablet is showing up out here as Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. So this means this is already set up. After I turn on the location, this is done. Okay, so you could also do the same, follow the steps that I've shown you and ensure your tablet is actually safe. So I hope this was helpful, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to send me an email, or you could even post comments in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.